This dance is called Gives Me Shivers. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot. On the and count, you're going to jump the right forward. You're then going to jump the left beside the right. Hold for one count. You're then going to make a small step to the side on the left as you bump your hips left, bump your hips right. Then you're going to roll your hips around anti-clockwise, starting left, back, side to the right and forward. So nice big hip roll. That set of steps once more then. Just jump off on that right. 7, 8. And jump, hold, bump left, right, roll left, back, right, forward. Cross rock, right over left. Recover your weight on the left. Chassé to the right. Cross rock left over right. Recover your weight on that right. Chassé back to the left with a quarter turn on the end. Side close, quarter turn. That set of steps once more then. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock, chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn. Add that to the top. Just jump off on the right. 7, 8. And jump, hold, bump left, right, roll. 3, 4, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side, cross the left over right, point the right to the side. Add on a jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross that right over left, step back on that left, quarter turn right, cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8. Cross point, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross. Let's add that to the top. Just jump off on the right. 7, 8. And jump, hold, bump left, right, roll left, back, right, forward, cross, rock, right, chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross. Step the right to the side, touch that left over the right, step the left to the side, touch the right over the left. Now you're going to add on an ending. There are in fact 3 potential endings for this dance. So I'm going to give you the easier one to start with, which is a vine quarter turn with a step forward. So you step the right to the side, cross that left behind, quarter turn right, step forward on that left. I will come back to the endings in a moment. That section once more then with our vine quarter turn ending. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side, behind, turn, step. End of the dance at that point. I will come back to the ending, but first of all, let's put it all together. Just jump off on the right. 7, 8, and jump, hold, bump left, right, roll left, back, right, forward, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, side, behind, turn, step. That's your dance. So the only and count you have is in that jazz jump and 1 right at the beginning and your chassé. So I will go through it with the counts just so that you can see exactly where they are. Jazz jump off on the right. 7, 8 and 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just before we go around the walls, I'm going to explain the endings. So the choreographer has actually given you 3 different endings that you can do on this dance, and a suggestion as to the order in which they actually come. It's entirely up to you whether you actually do that and follow the order, or whether you just pick on one and do that the whole way through. So your first ending, as you just saw, those last 4 counts, that's the only thing that's affected. Your vine quarter turn, side, behind, quarter turn, step. Your second suggested ending is a rolling vine with a quarter turn. So it'll be quarter turn right, you step forward on that right, half a turn right, you step back on the left, further half a turn right, you step forward on the right, and then step forward on the left. Now obviously that is a 1 1/4 turns that you're doing in total. So if you need to try and take out the full turn element, just do the standard vine quarter turn, stepping forward at the end. So that's your second option, rolling vine. Your third option are hops. Now I've seen people do this dance, hopping on the right foot, hopping on the left foot, and jumping with both feet. So strictly speaking, you are still travelling to the right, and you're going to follow that similar path that that vine quarter turn is going to take. So if you were hopping on your right foot, you would actually hop to the side on the right, hop to the side on the right, make that quarter turn, and then you would hop forward again. 4 hops, and then you go into your jazz jump to start the dance again. So when you're hopping on the right, hopping on the left, I tend to jump it. I'm not a very good hopper. So I tend to do 2 feet, jump, jump, turn in with the jump, jump again, and then I can go into my jazz jump. So it's entirely up to you whether you hop that with your right foot, your left foot, or you jump it through. But that's your third ending. 4 hops, quarter turn on the third one. So the suggested rotation is wall 1, you do a normal vine quarter. Wall 2, you do your rolling vine. 3, 4 and 5, you do your hops. You then repeat. 6, you do your normal vine quarter. 7, you do rolling vine. 8, 9 and 10, you hop it. When you then get to wall 11, you do your rolling vine. You skip out the normal vine quarter. That's on wall 11. And then you actually do hops for the next couple of walls, and then the track will finish anyway. So that's the suggested rotation. So that's what we're going to do as we go around the walls. But there is something else that the choreographer has actually suggested. On your second and third set of hopping, which will be walls 4 and 5 to start with, they've actually suggested, because that's when you get to the chorus and the artist will actually sing Shivers as you do your cross rock left over right. So at that point, as you cross rock, shimmy. Only on those walls where the artist sings Shivers at that point. So let's go around the other walls. We've practiced the front wall with our normal vine quarter. So we're going to do the other walls. Wall 2, we'll do the rolling vine. Wall 3, we will hop it. In my case, I'll jump it with 2 feet. You can hop it. Then when we get to wall 4, we'll put the shivers in, because that's the first time you'll get to the shivers and the hops as well. So you get to practice each of those endings. Like I said, it's up to you whether you actually do those endings or not. Okay, so let's go through the remaining walls. I will call out the endings as we get to them. Just jump off on the right. 7, 8, and jump, hold, bump left, right, roll left, back, right, forward, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side touch, roll, turn, step, and jump, hold, but left, right, roll left, back, both rights, forward, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side touch, hop, 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 and jump, hold, bump left, right, roll left, back, right, forward, cross, rock, right chassé, shivers, cross, rock, chassé, turn, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side touch, hop, 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 hop. So hopefully you get a feel for each of those endings and adding those shimmy in on the shiver word on that cross rock. So that is all there is to this dance. I'll call out the endings as we go through. I'll try and remind you about the shivers as well when we get to them. Otherwise, let's have a go to a bit of music. Five, six, 7, 8, and jump, bump, roll, cross, rock, chassé, turn, cross, point, back, turn, cross, side touch, right, side behind, turn, step, jump, bump, roll, cross, rock, chassé, turn, cross, point, back, turn, cross, side touch, roll, turn, step, jump. Back, roll, cross, rock, chassé, turn, cross, back, turn, cross, side, turn, hop, jump, back, roll, cross, rock, chassé, shivers, chassé, turn, cross, back, turn, cross, side, touch, hop, jump, back, cross, rock, shivers, cross point, side touch, hop, cross rock, cross point, side touch, vine, cross rock chassé, cross point, side touch, roll, jump, cross rock, cross point, side touch, hop, jump, shivers, hop, shivers, hop, roll, hop, shivers, hop, shivers, hop. Hope you managed that one.